Hello guys, welcome to this Java tutorial for beginners. In our today's video, we will continue our discussion with the constructors in Java and understand how super keyword is used to refer the constructors of the base class in a derived class. So without further wasting time, let's get started. Now let us understand super method with help of a program. So consider this example. So here we have our class A and class B, which extends our class A. And inside our class A, we have this integer variable, a constructor which expects a single parameter, which is of an integer type. And finally, we have this print method, which simply prints the variable I, right? And in our main method, what I've done is I've simply created the instance of our class B, right? So let me try to compile this program. So let me compile the program. And as you see, we have the compilation error. Constructor A in class A cannot be applied to given types, right? So let me try to fix this compilation error first. So one thing what I can do to fix the compilation error is to comment the constructor in our class A, right? So let me comment this out, and now if I compile, the compilation error should be gone. Now let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it and we shouldn't have any errors. And as you see, we did not have any errors in our program. All right. Now let us understand why we had the compilation error when we inserted the constructor in our class A. So whenever we have a user defined constructor in our base class that expects some parameter as in our class A, then we need to call the superclass constructor explicitly in our subclass, right? So what I need to do is inside the constructor of a subclass, I need to call this superclass constructor. And the way to call this superclass constructor is by using the keyword super. So I type super, and then if I pass the argument as 3, and now if I run this program, the compilation error should be gone and the program will run successfully. And let me call this print statement in our class A. So if I call this print statement, we should have the output as 3, right? So let me compile and execute the program. So let me run it. And as you see, we have the output number from base class 3. All right. Now let us look at some rules of super method in Java. So your first rule is that your call to the super must be the first statement in the base class constructor, which is similar to our this keyword, right? And your next rule is that, if a super class has a default constructor, that is you're not specifying any constructor, or has a user defined constructor that expects no parameter, then the default constructor is inserted by the compiler itself in the base class constructor, right? And as you have seen in our program, when we committed the constructor in our class A, then the program ran successfully. All right. So that is it for the today's video. And don't forget to subscribe for more Java programming videos like this. And I will see you until next time.